Hey guys, it's Bubba here, Mid-South Pond Dude. I'm coming to you today to share with you just how easy it is to work with DreamScapes. We've got a little 4-step process we go by. Number one is you get on our website, www.midsouthponds.com. From there, you'll fill out a form. On the form, it'll ask you to send a quick little video or some pictures and kind of briefly explain what it is that we can help you out with. From there, someone will contact you and set up a time that we can have a phone conversation, kind of go over everything, see if we're a good fit for each other and if we can help you out. Well, from there, and everything sounds good, we can kind of give you some ballpark numbers and pricing to see if that's going to be a fit. After that, we'll schedule an on-site consultation if that sounds good to you. Step 3 will be the on-site consultation. With an on-site consultation, we'll come out to the house, we'll go over everything, we'll measure the ins, the outs, how big the fall is going to be, everything, make sure we answer all the questions that you or your spouse may have to make that educated buying decision, whether it be from DreamScapes or from another company. And if you decide to go with us, well, we'll sit down right there on the spot. We'll draw up a contract, we'll finalize the numbers, and we'll get a deposit and get you scheduled. If for some reason you decided you needed more time to think about it, well, that's understandable too, and that's why we call it a consultation, and we'll drop that proposal off with you. And from there, we'll just collect a consultation check. Step 4, this is the part I like. This is where we come out that day and we're gonna show up. We're gonna come out, we're gonna walk through everything one last time before we bring out the excavators and the skid steers and we start tearing this backyard up. This is gonna look like a war zone, but shortly thereafter, all of a sudden, things are gonna start changing, taking shape, and before you know it, it's gonna be something as beautiful as this is right here, guys. After we're all done and complete and the guys have finished cleaning up, walking through, we're gonna come and get you. We're gonna do a final walkthrough of everything, go over everything there is with about the pond. And if you say, hey Bubba, I think it's a little more than I wanna handle, you know, after you've gone through all this with me again, I'm gonna say, hey, that's okay. We got a pond maintenance package planned for you. It's that simple. It's easy as 1, 2, 3. You can sit there and clean the skimmer basket out once a week, do it yourself, or hey, you can call us and we'll do it for you. Anyway, in closing, guys, like I said, there's 4 easy steps. You get on the website, www.midsouthponds.com. You fill out the form, you send in the pictures, we give you a call back. Step 2 is we set up that phone conversation with you. You decide we're a good fit, we're on the same page. Number 3 is we do that on-site visit. Number 4 is after the on-site visit, well, if you're at number 4, that means we're out here, we're doing a pond for you. It's that simple.